Easy Steps, getting started and getting set up with Easy Steps should only take you a few minutes. I'm going to walk you through it real quick. First, I'm going to show you how to set up on an iPhone or iPad. This is how you're going to have offline capabilities. So the first step on the iPhone or iPad is to go to your App Store and get the FileMaker Go 17 app. And once this downloads, you're going to go back to the email that we sent you and click on the link that we sent. So let's go back to the email. Click on the link. This is just going to download the Easy Steps app into your app. And then, this should only take a moment, at the bottom you're going to click on Open in FileMaker Go button. Okay. So now you'll see just some instructional information. Close out of that and click on your Easy Steps app and enter in your account name. And your password. Okay. The first thing you've got to do now from your home screen in Easy Steps is to create your first sync. So let's click on the Cloud Sync button. It's going to prompt you for your first sync. Okay, and enter in your password one last time. Okay. So this is now going to start your first sync, which will only take about 2 to 4 minutes, just depends on how fast your internet service is. So while we're syncing, I'm just going to give you some important information about sync. The first and main thing is that you can only sync on one device. So either pick your iPhone or your iPad. Trying to sync on multiple devices can actually cause items to be deleted. So be sure you just use one device, and if you need to change the device, let us know and we can help you change over. Once this first sync is done though, from now on, syncs are super fast. It should only take you a few seconds. And it's important to know that syncing is an offline feature only, and is only going to work on the Easy Steps app on your iPad and iPhone. How often should you sync? We recommend that you sync at the end of your work day or at the end of your work week. The reason for syncing is that it saves all of your information in our cloud server, and then also it sends your billing information up to us so that we can complete the billing for you. So what happens if a sync is interrupted? Don't worry. A sync sometimes is interrupted if maybe there's a disruption in your internet service. It's really not a problem. Just sync again and all of your information will come through. And if for some reason you don't have email set up on your iPad or iPhone, let us know and we can just text you this link. And that should be something simple and easy that we can do for you. Okay, so our sync should be coming close to being done. And while it's finishing up, next up, I'm going to show for those of you who don't have an iPhone or an iPad how to access Easy Steps with your laptop, computer, or another device. And the way you'll do that is to go to www.myeasystepsla.com. And in just a moment, I'm going to give you, kind of tell you more of the limitations about working online. Definitely offline, working on an iPhone or iPad is preferred. And the main reason is just that you have the ability to work without being online. You don't have to have internet access. Okay, so our sync is complete, and you can see that it took 136 seconds, and then it's going to show you all of the things that it's done. And now we can go in and play around. So we recommend that you go first to your profile. Check your information on here. Make sure everything is filled in and make sure all of the numbers are correct. And once you've done that, then you can go home and let's just play around in Easy Steps and create new patients. Let's create a new baby. So create some fictitious patients and that way you can modify them and delete them and create fake notes just to get used to the system. Okay, and let's create a daily note for Oprah. I am just going to make this quick and scribble. And I want to show you just to sign. Super easy. Sign, let the parent sign. Okay. So now we can go home. And so at the end of the day, you'll sync. And this should only take you a few seconds. And it'll show you all of the things that you've done throughout the day. So you can see that we've added and modified some patients. And just click OK. And getting set up with Easy Steps is truly that easy and fast. For those of you who are going online, let me show you the online. You'll go to myeasystepsla.com and enter in your account information. Okay. You may have to enter in your account name and password a couple times. But once you're in, you are working online. And like I said, you're online, so you have to have internet access. So if you're out in the country, you're going to be using all your data, and you're not going to be able to capture signatures on the online internet version. So those are the limitations, really, of working online. Plus, the online system is going to look a bit different. Not much, but it will have a few differences. And then, of course, maneuvering within the system and going from one page to another is only going to be as fast as your internet speed. Okay, well, have fun in Easy Steps, and welcome to Easy Steps. And just call us and let us know if you have any questions.